Welcome back. Here we are back on the main dashboard page where there are 6 links to other information management tools, starting with the Master Kit Sheet. The Master Kit Sheet uses the same layout and functionality as individual kit sheets. It pulls and combines items and quantities from all open kit sheets to provide a running total. Similar to the Dickey's DAM system, this tool is primarily used by the CSC for quoting and ordering purposes, and it provides a snapshot of the aggregate amount of an item needed so the CSC can quickly know how many are needed to complete all open kits. This tool somehow needs to be either linked to Demand Bridge so that it can show how many pieces are on order versus needed, or if that's not possible, then the CSC needs to be able to edit or reset the quantities needed once an order has been placed. And I haven't thought of how that might look or work yet, and I'm hoping someone has a good idea. Just like the individual kit sheets, each item on the master kit sheet is a link to that item's individual item page. There are a couple of key differences in the way the master kit sheet functions compared to the individual kit sheets. Item codes are maybe shown in like a bold red font or something, that if that specific item is pending approval on any open kit sheet or the separate art file status page, they are flagged in some other way to be a visual cue that action is needed. And then somewhere, preferably on maybe the individual items page, is a link to the PO and Demand Bridge on which the item is ordered. This would allow the CSCs to toggle between aggregate order quantities needed of a specific item and the PO for that item in Demand Bridge to quickly answer questions or modify POs without having to laboriously search for the details that they need. And this is an example of the master kit sheet. You will notice it is also a large, gnarly Excel spreadsheet with sections, item groups, starting with the familiar banners section at the top. Notice the increased order quantity. The quantity this banner ordered on the individual kit sheet was 1. Remember? There it is, 1. But the master kit sheet is combining this quantity of 1 per store from 32 hypothetically open kits. And this is the main function of the master kit sheet, to consolidate like items from multiple open kits. Many items throughout multiple groups of the kit sheet are produced using the same exact material, and items produced using the same exact material are also on many different sizes. Here's an example. We have a kid sign on 0.02 white styrene produced at 18 inches by 24 inches, and the same material at 18 by 42 with different art. Requesting quotes and placing orders would be easier and take less time if items on the master sheet could be ungrouped to sort by common data fields, so that they can be then regrouped by material or size, etc., kind of like this. And here we have sort by material, and by material as well as size, or by group name and quantity, etc. And that was the master kit sheet, which, remember, is where a consolidated list of all items needed for all open kits can be found. Next, we'll review some of the other information management tools available as links on the main dashboard page.